In today's video, I'll show you how to automate messages in Slack, making team communication faster and more consistent. Start by logging into your Slack workspace, either through the desktop app or directly in your browser. Once inside, look at the left-hand menu and click Automations. This is where you can create new workflows or use pre-made templates to save time. For example, let's set up a weekly check-in. Click Setup, then choose the day and time you want the message to be sent. Next, select the channel where it will be posted and compose your message. Customize it to suit your team, whether it's a reminder, motivational note, or feedback prompt. Once done, click Publish Workflow and then Done. Your message is now automated and will go out regularly at the schedule you set. Need to make changes later? Click Manage by You. Select the automation and click the edit icon. Make your updates and hit Publish Changes to save them. And that's it. Automating Slack messages keeps your team in sync and frees up time for other priorities. Thanks for watching and happy automating.